Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to read messenger messages without another person looking. So here's how you can do it. First of all, Messenger does not give you a direct option to switch before opening Messenger. Read the messages, close the app completely, then turn on aeroplane mode off, then sender won't CC. Another easy way is to preview the message from your phone's notification panel. As long as you don't open your messenger, no read receipt is sent. That's it. While you can't fully disable read receipts, this tricks will get you to check messages privately. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching.